Hey there, little scientists. Are you ready for another science experiment? Let's go. We will need a clear glass, water, food coloring, and some paper towels. First, let's fill our glasses with water. Now, let's add some few drops of food color into the water. Watch closely as the colors start to mix together. Now, let's meet a superhero called Capillary Action. He's like Spider-Man for water, making it climb up the paper towel. What do you notice? The paper towel starts to soak up the colored water. Now, let's carefully place the wet paper towel onto a flat surface. Look at that. The vibrant colors start spreading out across the paper towel. So, isn't it amazing how water and colors can dance together? So keep exploring, little scientist, and subscribe us for more videos like this.